Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only yummy tuna sandwich. First, let's talk about the foundation, your tuna. Opt for high-quality tuna packed in olive oil. It makes a significant difference in flavor and texture. Next, prepare your fresh ingredients like crisp celery and a bit of red onion. Having everything ready before you start mixing is key to a smooth process. Now, let's get to mixing. Gently drain your tuna, but don't squeeze it completely dry. A little residual oil adds richness. Finely dice about 1/4 cup of crisp celery and 2 tablespoons of red onion for that essential crunch and subtle bite. Combine these with the tuna and 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise in a bowl, mixing until just combined. To elevate the flavor, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring every flake of tuna and every piece of vegetable is coated. This step is crucial for a balanced taste. Finally, select 2 slices of sturdy, fresh bread. A good sourdough or rye will hold up beautifully to the delicious filling. Now for the grand finale. Spread a generous amount of your perfectly mixed tuna onto 1 slice of bread. For an extra layer of freshness and texture, add some crisp lettuce and a thin slice of ripe tomato. Place the second slice of bread on top, and there, you have it, the only tuna sandwich you'll ever need. Don't forget to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.